make a video on how to subtract improper fractions. And there's two ways I'm going to show you how to do this. The first way, what I'm going to do is I'm going to change everything, in mixed numbers. I'm going to change the first one into an improper fraction. So I'm going to take 3 times 4. Remember, 3 1/4, you multiply the whole number with the denominator and you get 12. And then I'm going to add it to the numerator. That gives me 13/4. And I'm going to do the same with my second fraction. So 2 times 3 is 6, plus 2 is 8. That gives me 8/3. Well, they don't have a common denominator right now, so I still need to do that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say, well, 4 and 3 both go into 12, so I'm going to multiply this by 3 over 3. I'm going to multiply this by 4 over 4. And actually, this is the second time I'm doing this video because the first time I made a mistake. So 13 times 3 is 39, and 4 times 3 is 12, minus 8 times 4 is 32, 3 times 4 is 12. So now I have 39 twelfths minus 32 twelfths, which gives you 7 twelfths. And that's it. Now, I actually kind of prefer my second method a little bit more, and I'll tell you why. All I'm going to do is I'm just going to look at the fractions, and I'm going to get a common denominator. And so once again, I'm going to use 12. So I'm going to multiply the numerator, or the top fraction by 3 over 3, and then my bottom fraction by 4 over 4. And that's going to give me 3 over 12. And this is going to give me 8 over 12. So now, what I have is 3 and 3/12 minus 2 and 8/12. Well, I do run into one small problem here. My problem is this. I want to subtract 3 from 8, and I know that's not possible. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to give my 3 and 3/12, I'm going to take one whole away. But remember, I'm working in 12, so I'm going to change this to 2 and 12/12. And I'm going to give those 12/12 to the 3/12, and this becomes 2 and 15/12 minus 2 and 8/12. Well, nice thing here now is this. 2 minus 2 is 0. And then 15/12 minus 8/12 is 7/12. I want to take a quick look at what this looks like in the fraction app. So I have 3 1/4. So I'm actually going to change these. I'm going to do 3 1/4. 1, 2, 3. So let's see what 3 1/4 actually looks like. I'm going to color these all in. That's 1, that's 2, that's 3, and that's 1/4. And then I have minus 2 and 2/3. Minus 2 and 2/3. And you know what I should have done. Maybe I'll still do it. No, it doesn't matter. So let's see. So what you can see from here is, since I'm subtracting, I can take this one, and those can go away. Take this one, and those can go away. So really what I'm left with is 1 1/4 minus 2/3. Well, once again, I can't do that, so I'm going to have to change these into 12s. So if I change these into 12s, this whole thing has to be colored in. And it looks like, let's see if that's correct. Yep. So I have, once again, you can see I have 15/12, and I need to take away, how much is this? Let's see. Looks like I have to take away 8/12. So if I have 15/12, now I want to take away 8/12. What I could do is I could just simply go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And let's see how, let's see how much I have left now. And I will just turn this like this. Looks like I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 12 remaining, which was our answer. All right, well, I hope that this video kind of made sense. I hope you were able to get something out of it. And that's it. Take care.